Then I was a Superior Court judge for 15 years in Orange County for a lot. I did all kinds of different things. For the last about 10, I tried almost exclusively serious felony cases, some of which you might want to talk about a little bit. And then I had one especially notable case. There had not been a retirement from the 4th District Court of Appeal, Division 3, which is in Santa Ana. We're the only court of appeal in the state of California that is pretty much one county. So Orange County kind of has its own division of the Court of Appeal, the 3rd Division of the 4th District. Somebody was finally going to retire. They hadn't had a retirement in ages, and I got some calls from people who kind of knew what they were talking about and said, you should apply for that job. And I never in a million years pictured myself as a justice on the Court of Appeal. I thought those people were, and they were particularly intellectual and cerebral about the law, in love with the law. And I was a pretty good trial judge, and I liked being a trial judge. I liked doing that. You sit there all by yourself. When you go to the Court of Appeal, you're always on a panel of 3.
Yeah.
So it's a different dynamic, and I loved it once I got there. Anyway, people convinced me to apply, although I was a little skeptical that I wanted to go, or that now Jerry Brown was the governor. I wasn't so sure Governor Brown was going to be anxious to appoint an old white guy to the Court of Appeal.
Right.